Hello everyone, this is the last part of the fully solved Icse 2023 specimen question paper discussion, literature in English, English paper 2. In today's session, I am going to discuss section D, poetry. I have already finished discussing the multiple choice questions, the drama, The Merchant of Venice and the short stories. Do check the pinned comment section for the necessary links. Look at the screen for the passage. Question 6. This passage is from the poem Abu Ben Adhem by Leigh Hunt. And you will get 1 RTC from here. Full marks 16. Quickly, let's start reading the questions and answers. What did Abu Ben Adhem see when he woke from a deep sleep one night? 3 marks. Abu Ben Adhem woke up from a deep peaceful sleep and looked around his moonlit bedroom. So you must mention moonlit bedroom. When he woke up, he saw that the room was filled with moonlight. And then what did he notice? He noticed that the room was filled with a sense of pure loveliness. Use this expression. A sense of pure loveliness filled the room, like that of a blooming lily by the presence of an angel. Mention that there was an angel. And what was the angel doing? The angel was writing in a book of gold. This is a compact, meaningful answer, a logically coherent answer. Now frame your answers in such a way so that you do not need to repeat the points again and again. Use synonyms if possible. What did Abu Ben Adhem ask the angel? Abu calmly asked the angel what it was writing. And what was the angel's response? The angel answered that it was writing the names of those men, M-E-N, who loved the God. Although this question 2 carries 3 marks, writing this is going to be enough. You do not need to write anything else. Write wherever you need to elaborate and write short, brief answers where that is sufficient. Question 3. What did Abu ask the angel to do when he learnt that his name did not appear among the names of those who love the Lord? Let's read the answer. Abu asked whether his name was in the angel's list, and getting a reply in the negative meaning, he got to know that his name was not in the list. What did he do? Abu, A-B-O-U, Abu requested the angel to write his name as one who loved his fellow men, mankind. And then, what does this reveal to us of his character? The angel's reply makes him sad. However, still with the same cheer and hope, he requests the angel to write his name among those who rather love mankind. He is not complaining, he is not angry, he is not hopeless. Why? The saint has full confidence in terms of his love for mankind. This point is important. He has full confidence in terms of his love for mankind. After this, let's read the next question. When and how did the angel appear to Abu Ben Adhem again? The angel came again the following night with the great awakening light. And what did the angel show Abu this time? The angel showed the list of those whom God had blessed. Abu Ben Adhem's name was on the top. What does the poet mean by may his tribe increase? The poem opens with the name of the protagonist and a blessing upon him. The expression means that may the number of good people like Abu Ben Adhem increase in this selfish and wicked world. Here the poet is highlighting the goodness of Abu Ben Adhem, and he wishes that may such more men come on earth. Why do you think he says this? Let's read. The use of the parenthesis in may his tribe increase indicates that this portion is not directly linked to the poem itself, L-I-N-K-E-D. Yet this is a gesture by the poet to declare that here is a man worth remembering for generations to come. Glorification of the goodness of Abu Ben Adhem. And what is the central message of the poem? The central message of the poem is that true worship is manifest is shown through the acts of love and service that one shows one's fellow men and women. Service to mankind is service to God, true worship of God. Question 7. Here is the passage. Have a look at the passage and then we will discuss the questions and answers. 9 gold medals by David Roth. The questions now. What was special about the athletes who were participating in this sports meet? The athletes who were participating in this sports meet were differently able contestants. This was their speciality. Yet they had undergone rigorous training to fulfill their dreams of winning either gold or silver or bronze. This is what is so special about them. They overcame all hardships and they came here. These differently abled contestants came here to participate and win either gold or silver or bronze medals. What special quality of theirs does the poem celebrate? The overall impression, what is it? The poem celebrates their spirit of care and compassion. Just one single line will do wonders. Which race was the highlight of the day? Again, a very easy answer. The 100 meters race was the highlight of the day. What was the signal that the athletes waited for? The participants were standing on the starting line, quite ready and waiting for the gun to be fired, the gunshot. How many athletes participated in this race? There were, W-E-R-E, there were 9 participants or racers. How does the poet describe the state of mind, the thought process of the athletes as they lined up for the race? Who won the race? As athletes lined up for the race, they were determined, the state of mind, determination to win either gold or silver or bronze medal. They were quite ready, readiness and waiting for the sound of the gun, prepared. Who won the race? There was no single winner. All the 9 athletes won 9 medals. If you had to give this poem an alternate title, what would you call it? Give reasons for your answer. Give reasons. Not just one reason, but multiple reasons. The alternate title would be Special Olympics, 1 marks. And for the rest part of the question, 2 marks allotted. The sports meet was indeed made special by the athletes who displayed empathy and compassion. This display of empathy and compassion made this event such a grand affair and so special. Therefore, the alternate title. Number 1, reason. Number 2, the poem upholds true sportsmanship. And number 3, and since what the world, W-O-R-L-D, what the world needs now is not more competition but more cooperation and collaboration, I would suggest the alternate title, celebrate the goodness of empathy and compassion. The next one, give a brief account of what happened after the youngest athlete fell to the ground. What happened? A brief account. And why do you think the author used the word strange to describe the behavior of the athletes? The youngest athlete fell to the ground, the first point, and then in frustration, he raised a cry because his dream of winning the game was shattered. The 8 other contestants in an outstanding show of empathy and compassion. Now this portion is really important. You cannot miss this. They stopped running, returned to help him to his feet, and together all 9 of them linked arms and walked to the finishing line. A brief description of what had happened. And let's see, why did the poet say that it was strange? The poet said what happened afterwards was as true as he was standing there and narrating the story. The other athletes stopped and helped this young man who was a competitor, and this was the strangest part of it all. He was their competitor, yet they stopped and they returned to help him. Hence the behavior of the athletes was strange. My dear students, here I come to the end of this series of ICSE 2023 Specimen Question Paper Answer Discussion.